So we want to style the border now. Go back to our text editor. Now I want to style the border. I want to style the TH and the TD. We want to style the TH and the TD. So come to our CSS file here. Type TH, comma, TD. Okay. So now we used border background. Change the background. Border background. Where is it? Is it here? Okay, sorry, it's background color. Background color. We'll change the background color to, let's say brown. Let's say brown. Change the background color to brown. Okay, so let's see how this looks. Yes, now you see. So after that, now we move to using a rounded border. We move to using a rounded border. So here, let's just come here and add to this. Let's say no. Okay, let's cancel this. All right. Border radius. We'll add border radius, and the border radius, let's say 10 pixels. Border radius to be 10 pixels. So let's refresh. Now you see our border radius is what? 10 pixels. Okay. Okay. So now using the dotted border, right? So we have border radius to be 10 pixels. Then we have border type. Border type. Where is it? Sorry, border style. Border style. Then we have dotted. We have dotted. Come on, and let's see it. Let's see how it looks. Now you can see the edge is all dotted. We have dashed. Now you can see you're having dash all through, right? Okay, and now we have solid. Okay, we've done solid. We have groove. Let's use groove. Sorry, groove. This is how groove looks like. And we have insets. We have insets and outsets. Insets. Insets. Is there any changes here? Insets. Insets, and we have outsets. Insets and outsets. Okay, I really don't see any different there. So we have double. We have double. Okay, I think this is not allowing us to see the changes that are made. So let's just clean it out. Refresh. Yes, I said it. it's not allowing us to see the changes that are made. This is for double, this is for insets, this is for insets, this is for outsets, this is for groove, this is for groove. Okay, so and think hidden, now the border is hidden. We have none, doesn't show anything. So the next thing we need to know about border is the color, how we can color our border. Okay, I've done that before. This is it. This is how you can color the border, right? So let's move to the table size. Let's move to table size. Okay, let's move towards the table size, how you can size your table. So let's come to the index page here. Go straight to the table, style. Sorry, my system is really slow. Sorry. Style, we give it a width. A width of 100%. We give it a width of 100%. So let's see how it will look here. Now you see how wide 100% means it takes the whole width of the screen. It takes the full width of the screen. Okay, so let's make this 60%. Now you can see how it now reduces. Okay, so likewise for the head also, we can also add style. We can also add width to the name. You know, most people have long surname or last name. So let's say for this, okay, not here, sorry, not for the client now. Let's say, okay, let's remove the client. Let's remove this. Okay, so, and let's rename this to TH instead of TD. TH, 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 and TH. So we'll save, and let's say this also. Let's say for the first name we want to style it and make it, give it a width of, say, give it a width of 80%. No, that should be too big. That should be too big. Okay, let's just try 80%. Okay, so you see, give the last name to its own style. So this type of CSS styling I'm doing here now, it's called the inline CSS styling. Okay, we'll get to that when we start the CSS proper. Right, so now we have let's give it 60%. Okay, let's give him same 80%. Okay, the reason why it's not moving is because this first name has already taken the full width of the screen is 100%. So the first name alone has taken 80% of the screen, remaining 20%. So that is why this last name is not moving beyond the way it is now. So if I would make this to be 50 and the last name to be 50%, then we will see the changes. Now we can see the changes. They are now equal. Okay, let's see if we can make this 50% too. I doubt that would work. It would work, I told you. So that is that about the size, the table size. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do here now is going straight to the table row height. The table row height. How to set the height for our table row. Okay, so with that, let's come here. We use this as an example. You put your style. Okay, this is your style, and you make it, let's say, height, and let's say the height is let's say 200 pixels, right? Now you see how big the height of this row is. Okay, so let me change it. Let's say 60%. You can use percent, you can use pixels. It's small. Let's say 60 pixels. You get it now, right? So this is how you will style your table. You can also style your table in the external CSS file, which is this that I've done here by adding the radius and the border radius and the border style, and also the background color of the table. Okay, so you can do it either in an external file like this, or you do an inline styling, which is this one, which is this is an inline styling, or you do an embedded styling, which you just come here and write style and write style close. What? Where did it go? Okay, close. So this is an embedded styling. So all these things we did here, all these things, if you don't want it here, you can equally copy them and paste them here. They are all the same. They are all the same. So moving forward, still moving forward,